everyone. Today we will learn common some words with sentence. Okay, let's begin. Honest. The man was poor but honest. The man was poor but honest. Sin. I have not yet seen him. I have not yet seen him. Waste. Don't waste your time. Don't waste your time. Conveyance. I tried to convince him. I tried to convince him. Exchange. I would like to exchange this for dollars. I would like to exchange this for dollars. Getting. It's getting hot day by day. It's getting hot day by day. Proposal. She accepted his proposal of marriage. She accepted his proposal of marriage. Drizziling. It has been drizzling since morning. It has been drizzling since morning. Soon. I will be back as soon as possible. I will be back as soon as possible. Look. It doesn't look fair. It doesn't look fair. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Reach. I said that I would reach a little late. I said that I would reach little late. Shift. We will shift our room next month. We will shift our room next month. Should. You should have sent the email. You should have sent the email. Hard. Don't be so hard on yourself. Don't be so hard on yourself. Take. What would you like to take? What would you like to take? Spicy. Could you make it little spicy? Could you make it little spicy? Mind. Would you mind coming with us? Would you mind coming with us? Wear. When I was a child, I would wear frocks. When I was a child, I would wear frocks. Join. Would you join me as I am alone? Would you join me as I am alone? Next. I will go to Japan next month. I will go to Japan next month. Behavior. This is not a gentleman behavior. This is not a gentleman behavior. Satisfied. I am not satisfied with his answer. I am not satisfied with his answer. Want. I want to go out, but it's raining. I want to go out, but it's raining. Kind. What kind of meal do you like? What kind of meal do you like? Special. You are very special to me. You are very special to me. Come. Do you want to come with me? Do you want to come with me? Clearly. You should try to speak more clearly. You should try to speak more clearly. Promise. I promise you I will help you. I promise you I will help you. Everything. I know everything about you. I know everything about you. Hope. I hope you get well soon. I hope you get well soon. Put. Don't put it on my table. Don't put it on my table. Such. It was such a nice day. It was such a nice day. Around. I will pick you up around 6. I will pick you up around 6. Together. We generally sing songs all together. We generally sing songs all together. Plenty. Try to eat plenty of fresh fruit. Try to eat plenty of fresh fruit. Prefer. I prefer to work the morning shift. I prefer to work the morning shift. While. You should rest for a while. You should rest for a while. Recently. I recently moved from there. I recently moved from there. Fixed. Give me a fixed date. Give me a fixed date. Suddenly. It happens suddenly. It happens suddenly. Help. I am trying to help you. I am trying to help you. Fluently. Do you want to speak English fluently? Do you want to speak English fluently? Hear. Can you hear me clearly? Can you hear me clearly? Recognize. Why didn't you recognize me? Why didn't you recognize me? Understand. I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? I don't understand. Can you repeat, please? Force. Do not force me. Don't force me. Thanks for watching.